Sleek and designed with a classic triangular shape, this modern 30-inch wall mount will make your kitchen pop with its smooth, black stainless steel finish. The range hood is constructed with sharp angular lines, with a touch control panel adorning the front. 2 mesh filters collect oils and other cooking pollutants for a better cooking experience. With the touch control panel, you can turn the range hood on and control the LED lighting. The control panel also offers 3 fan speeds and an auto shutoff with up to 60 minutes. 2 LED lights shine bright when more light is needed or for a romantic ambiance. The range hood is ducted and can accommodate ductless homes. A carbon filter kit is made available for homes that have ductless recirculating installations. Akdy, let your kitchen do more.